Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to create now a haldi look. First we take Patanjali aloe vera gel as a primer. Then apply it all over the face using fingertips. Then we take foundation. It's brand called Neon. A little and apply with wet puff. Take little amount to apply and apply it with the dabbing motion. Then we apply our concealer. It also same brand Neon. Apply it on high points. Then blend. Always do it in dabbing motion. Then I use this 2-in-1 foundation plus compact powder from MAC using this blending brush. I set my foundation. That's it. Now I am going to fill my brows. It's done. Let's start the eye makeup. I am using this beautiful palette which is Hilary Rhoda and taking these 4 shades for eye makeup. I am going to use this fluffy brush for my eye makeup. First I take this red shade and tap it out and applying on my outer V. And crease area. It's very simple guys. Slowly you done pro. I am taking this beautiful red shimmery shade over this dark red shade and applying along with. Then I pick this small eye brush to apply orange kind of shade which is perfectly go with my saree. Then I am going to apply this golden shade over the orange with help of my fingertips. Then same step on another eye. Draw same colors in lower lash lines. Now we apply a liner. Slowly and small strokes helps make it perfect. Then applying kajal on lower waterline. I draw it on lower waterline and upper waterline too. It makes my eye bigger. It's create an illusion to show my eyes bigger. Now eye makeup is done. I set my base again because it create a little mess. Now I curl my eyelashes with this tiny mascara. Then I am contouring on my face. See the natural contour on my face. With the same palette, I am going to use this beautiful pink shade to applying blush on my face. I also apply blush on my nose, forehead and chin area. Then highlighting some points. Lastly, I color my lips with this beautiful Red Kiss Beauty lipstick. Now my makeup is done. Now completing this look, I wear floral jewelry and gajra. This is the perfect look for every Indian girl. If you like this look, make sure please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.